These are skyrocketing. They continue to skyrocket in price. This price continues to go up and up and up. It's giveaway time for a pair of Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines. That's right, I'm giving away a pair of Bread 4 Reimagines to one of my subscribers. All you guys need to do to enter this free sneaker giveaway is smash that like button. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. Join the More family. Get me to 71,000 subscribers. Leave a comment down below in the comments section. Let me know what size you are in the Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. They will fit true to size. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the beginning of February, before the release date. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, and don't worry if you do miss out on this giveaway. I will be giving away multiple pairs. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines, and make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button, because I will have them in hand very, very soon this week. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on the videos on the Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Every sneakerhead needs a sneaker travel bag. This right here is the best and cheapest sneaker bag on the market. It's made by Crease Guards. This is their premium duffel bag. It holds up to 4 pairs of sneakers in it. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, and you're going to receive 40% off, and you also get an extra bag with your order as well. No further purchase necessary. This is free with your purchase, as well as, of course, the warranty. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards, link down below in the description. Use my promo code Danny40 for 40% off. I went with Poison with this purchase because they did have the best price. This video is not sponsored by Poison. I just really mess with Poison's service. Lately, for me, honestly, it's been better than StockX, GOAT, eBay. It's been a really good go-to spot for me lately to cop sneakers. Some of their prices are cheaper than StockX, GOAT, or eBay. So I think Poison is definitely a great platform, and they are a middleman service as well. So you know you're getting 100% authentic products. So these are a must. Honestly, these are going up in price. They continue to skyrocket in price. When this shoe first released, market was around $350, around that price. Now, we are looking at prices at closing in at nearly $500, which is absolutely wild. Wild. These continue to go up. They continue. There hasn't been a slowdown. Everybody continues to buy these up. And I think a lot of people are actually wearing this sneaker, causing that price to continue to go up and up and up. It's a very wearable pair of sneakers. It really is. It's a great pair. One of the best Jordans that's released in the last handful of years for most people because of the wearability factor of this Air Jordan Retro. So let's open these up. They do come all bubble wrapped up, which is nice. You do have the Poison bubble wrap right there. If you guys want, I'll leave a link down below. Check out Poison. Video's not sponsored. I'm not being paid to do any of this, so I just really mess with the platform. If you guys want to shop Poison, I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check them out. All right, so right here, we do have the box. Ah, man, this shoe, man. I told you guys don't sell them. Hold on to them. And a lot of people have made this call that these were going to go up. It was just an easy call, if you ask me. Just an easy call. One of the easier calls in quite some time. So we do have a size 11. This is just a great pair that has released in the last few years, man. And it's just a great overall wearable sneaker. Wearable. I think a lot of people nowadays are going for wearable more than anything else. Are you actually going to wear them? Are you actually going to put them on your feet? Yeah, the colors might be nice, but they're too bright. They're too loud. It's not that wearable. You know, those are ugly. There's a lot of things that people determine. So right here, we do have the authentic guarantee certificate right here from Poison. And we have the shoe. Like I keep saying, man, these are so damn wearable. I cannot stress it enough. And I think that's a huge factor into the price continuing to skyrocket, continuing to go up and up and up. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black. Yeah, do not. And I repeat, don't sleep. If you've been sleeping like I have, then, man, I think you guys got to change your opinion, you know, turn it around a little bit and realize that, yeah, this is it. Like, this is a very wearable, good pair of Jordan 4s. They really are. This colorway is so wearable, I can't stress it enough. Just look at it. So wearable. The leather, very nice with the tumbled. I'm hopefully saying that we will get this type of material on the military blue Jordan 4s that do release this year. So I'm excited for that. We do have the Poison tag on both of them, looking good. And you do have the Nike China tags on this pair as well. So that looks good as well. Yeah, man. Great overall pair of Jordan 4s that continue to go up and up and up. They're skyrocketing. Most sizes right now at around $450. Size 13, I believe, is a little bit less. So if you're a size 13, you can get them for maybe a little bit under $400, which is a solid price. But for most of us out there, we're going to be spending $450, almost $500 for this sneaker. And that is wild at this point to say. They continue to go up. You know, as the market's down, we see a lot of sneakers go down in price. Nothing's really skyrocketing too much anymore. Certain shoes, yes. And these just continue to go up. Continue. They're not slowing down. These prices are up there. They're going up there. They're going to continue, in my opinion, to go up. Could they touch $600, $700, $800? Who knows? Who knows? They're at closing in on $450, $500. So potentially, could they go up another $100? Maybe. They already have went up over $100 since their release. So who knows, man? It's just a very wearable shoe, and I'm tired of sleeping on this personally. I am sleeping on them heavily, and I shouldn't. I shouldn't be at all. I don't think people should be sleeping on these. This is one of the best Jordan 4s as far as wearability factor. One of the best Jordan 4s that's very wearable that we've received in a while. I think this is a great pair that has released recently. You know, in the last year or two, I believe these released. So just a great pair of Air Jordan 4s. No signs of them slowing down. That price continues to skyrocket. Continues up and up and up. I want you guys to take a guess down below in the comments. What do you think is going to happen with the reimagined Bred Air Jordan 4? Do you think those are going to resell for above $300 or below $300? Maybe around $300? And then maybe they'll go up? What do you guys think is going to happen with the reimagined Bred 4? Could they do what this sneaker did? Could the military black be an example of what the upcoming Jordan 4 reimagined Bred might do? Who knows? We'll have to wait and see what happens. I do think those prices on the reimagined Breds are going to come down to around $300, and then potentially, who knows? Maybe they'll touch $450 like these are doing right now. Maybe. We'll see what happens. I think this is a great pair of Air Jordan 4s. Very wearable. Very, very slept on still. Even though, you know, a lot of people like this shoe, they're definitely going up in price. I still think they're heavily slept on. And I'm going to say it, yes, these are expensive, but I still feel like they could be potentially undervalued, which I know sounds crazy, but as of now, who knows? They could go up, man. They could. This shoe is just a wearable, gorgeous pair of Air Jordan 4s. The Jordan 4 hype is there. Everybody loves their Air Jordan 4s, and we're receiving more Jordan 4s this year. So the 4 hype is here, and they could go up more. They could. Potentially could continue to skyrocket. They have skyrocketed already, and maybe they'll go up more. Maybe they will. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 4 Military Black down below in the comments. If you guys wear these, they're going to crease up a lot on you, so I do recommend crease guards. They are the best crease protectors on the market. I have a link down below in the description for you, and you guys can receive 40% off to prevent creases on your sneakers. So make sure you guys check them out. Guys, the Military Black Jordan 4s are fire. Straight fire. Just a great pair of sneakers that continue to skyrocket, and people are wearing them big time. I see them on feet a lot. A lot of people are wearing and appreciating this sneaker, and it's well deserved. It's a great pair. They took military blues and just made it black, even more wearable, right? Am I right? It's even more wearable than the military blue Jordan 4s. It is. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Make sure you guys smash that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because I'm giving away a pair of Jordan 4 Bread reimagines to one of my subscribers. Make sure you guys enter in that free sneaker giveaway and leave a comment. Fire emojis or trash emojis on the Jordan 4 Military Black. If you guys own a pair, please let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you guys check out Poison. Great platform. Once again, this video is not sponsored. I'll have a link down below if you guys would like to shop. Check them out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.